This is the real Tom Rose, and we're dealing with a functions problem. Whenever you deal with functions, it's helpful to remember that functions have two basic components. Let me pick one of the functions from the answer choices. F of x equals 6 over x. Functions have an input. And you can tell what the input is because it will always be written inside the parentheses next to the function name. So the input here is the x. And the output will be whatever that equation results in. So the output here is 6 over x. Now we've been given two inputs actually. They're asking us for which of the following functions is it true that the function with an input of -5 is equal to the function with an input of 5. And this problem then becomes a plug and chug problem. So for each one of these functions, I'm going to try following their directions and using the inputs that they say. So we want to test for answer choice A whether 6 over -5, I'm using -5 as an input, is equal to 6 over 5, with 5 used as the input. Now, -6/5 is not equal to 6/5, so A is not the answer. And let's keep on going. So let's try 5 minus, and x, let's use -5 as the input. Is that equal to 5 minus 5 as the input? Well, 10, this evaluates to 10 equal to 0. Is that the case? No. So B is not the answer. And let's look at answer choice C. Let's try -5 as an input. -5 plus 2. Is that equal to +5 plus 2? That will simplify to -3 and 7. Are those equal? No. So C is out. And let's keep moving on. So it's about -5 as an input. Square that plus 2. Is that equal to 5 as an input? This will simplify to 25 squared plus 2. Is that equal to 25 squared plus 2? And I should not have written those squareds. Let's get rid of those. But you can already see 25 plus 2 will be equal to 25 plus 2. So answer choice D is in fact correct. And we can stop here. I'm going to evaluate the fifth one in case you did that and you want to see how it went. Let's try 5x cubed. So 5 with -5 plugged in. Is that equal to 5 with 5 plugged in? And here this simplifies to 5 times -125. Is that equal to 5 times 125? And the answer is no. One's negative and one's positive. So E is out, which just leaves D as the correct answer.